Get into the 2022 Ford Mustang. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a pony car legend that's waiting just for you. This iconic Mustang is a high-performance adrenaline machine that's crisp, balanced, and loaded with customizable driving features. Designed for enthusiasts and prepared to dominate at the track or on the daily commute, this legendary vehicle answers the call of your driving spirit. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, 8-cylinder engine, lane keeping assist, keyless start, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, premium sound system. Legendary meets modern in this smart, powerful Mustang. Take it out for a road test and sample a truly personalized driving experience. Our professional team will make it the best part of your day.